Dongguan Smart Tech New Energy Technology Company, founded in 2008, is a high-tech manufacturing enterprise engaged in the R&D, production and sales to provide the Battery Protection Board (PCM) BMS, Smart BMS Battery Management System, Integrated Battery Pack Module Solutions, battery chargers, and relevant battery products. The products are mainly used in bulk charter vehicles, electric vehicles, solar energy storage, medical equipment, garden tools, emergency lighting, and other fields. Smart Tech always adhere to work with professional R&D team, rich production experience, advanced production technology, mature management system to ensure high quality, safety, and environmental protection, convenient, green products. With over 10 years of rapid growth, we have developed thousands of protection boards in all shapes and sizes used for 1S to 32S lithium batteries. It includes Smart BMS with communication, fuel gauge detection board, standard battery protection circuit or BMS for lead-acid replacement, etc. Besides, customized battery pack would be made based on client's application. With rich capabilities of R&D, design experience of PCM and BMS, and good brand battery sourcing from Japan or Korea, etc., the battery solutions will be provided with more reliable assembly technology, more stable performance. Smart Tech strictly operate in accordance with ISO 9001 Quality Management System. The production workshop is equipped with advanced production equipment and test facilities, monitored by professional team of quality management. Through the detection of each step during production, continuous optimization, and upgrading of process, all products are guaranteed good quality to users. A full range of certifications spread with expansion of our business line. Up to now, Smart Tech has become the leading technology developers and suppliers of battery management system or lithium battery solutions and has entered the supply chain system of well-known brand manufacturers at home and abroad. Dedication to the industry, accumulation of talents, good teamwork and training have laid a good foundation for company's innovation and sustainable development. We will move forward to offer the high-quality products and good services